Hey guys, so today I'm here. I'm going to be doing a quick little review on the new Colourpop Brown Sugar Palette. This ranged for $12 and it is really pretty. I love the packaging. It is that plastic that I really like and is a 9-pan shadow palette. And it's plastic and it's got these really pretty glitters in with the brown and it's like a gold glitter. Open it up, huge mirror. And this is more of a neutral palette. I'm going to try to cover this here. I absolutely love these. You get some shimmers. I like how you get majority mattes. And the mattes she chose, I love. I'm actually wearing a lot of this palette on today. I really like the way this look came out. For this look today, I did use ginger, I used chalk, auburn, chai, amber, and a little bit of jam mocha. Oh, I just love this palette. It is stunning. I don't know. You guys can know almost every Colourpop palette, almost every single one has been amazing for me. If you're in store for a nice neutral palette, I say grab this. You don't need to spend a fortune to get some neutral colors. Really love this. I feel like this palette has a good range for skin tones as well to be a neutral palette. Nice everyday. You can go really natural light or you could really amp it up. Really recommend this. I find this to be beautiful. $12, totally worth it. Your name's on the back as well as it's also on the palette, which I really like. And I like the brown. I love the huge mirror. I just totally think it's worth it. Colourpop's been killing it lately. And I absolutely love these 9-pan shadow palettes. I just literally want to collect every single one as they come out. They're super small to use. I can put them away easy. They're just perfect. But yeah, that was my quick review. So far I've been hitting it pretty lucky with my makeup picks, minus a few items. But with Colourpop, I've been hitting it. So that's awesome. Thank you guys so much for watching. And please be sure to subscribe. Alright, thanks guys. Bye.